This 2012 Itasca Sunova 33C is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, TV antenna, Skylight, water heater, LP detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, TV, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, and 79 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment. This 2012 Itasca Sunova 33C is built on a FordF-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.